You said you. Hold on. Wait. Hey, it's Baby K and I'm back today with another motherfucking video. And today I got my little cousin, my little god sister, my little her. So as you can tell by my hair, she's gonna be doing my hair. Yep, she gonna be doing my hair. Okay. But first, let's introduce the products that I won in Curlsfrosandme. She makes her own natural products. Like, they feel so good in your. Okay, I'm gonna say all the pros.
After we done, we got water.
Yep.
This oil.
Okay.
And then we got this pink brush.
Yep.
Then we got
Finisher. Finish styler
right here. And then
you did sweet. The shea butter. I believe that's what it is, shea butter.
I think so too.
And this is what the finisher looks like. And this is the shea butter.
Yeah.
For those that want to start being natural, she has directions on like how to do it. So we're going to be following those directions. And plus she also
got her
gives
bag.
little bags. Look at that. That's such a cute design. But anywho, yeah, her Instagram. Nope, not the video yet. Her Instagram will be in the description box below. She also has a Facebook. And yeah, let's
go on to the video.
I'm gonna tell you the directions. So the title is Better Hair Days Directions. It says products can be used on wet or dry. Okay, ow. It said products can be used on wet or dry hair. However, applying products while you're moving it too much. However, applying products while wet or damp helps to seal in moisture. So she's basically saying like adding a little water on her, it will actually better it. But step 1 says rub in. I just finished washing my hair, by the way. It says rub in sweet buttercream from roots to ends for light moisture and shine. This makes the hair soft and manageable. It also helps with detangling process. Which one is the sweet buttercream?
I think this one.
That's the finisher.
This one.
Yeah. So what you doing?
We adding that?
Oh, my hair is damp. Okay, go ahead, boo.
Okay.
You don't have to add too much, but she has little hands, so I'm gonna help her. Yeah. This much would be fine for like
right now
a whole section.
Yeah.
Let me see. It smells very natural.
I know. It smells.
It doesn't smell like anything was added to it, which is like a good thing.
It smells good though.
She likes natural smells. I'm not a big fan of it though, but I'm happy that I have natural things going in my hair.
Now we gotta brush it?
Oh yeah, boo.
Why
are you doing it so soft? Come on now.
You said don't do it soft. Stop doing it soft, girl.
I didn't complain. Weirdo.
I'm not a weirdo.
Zoey, my hair is not getting detangled. Watch out for this side.
How about this?
Okay, that's all that matters. You trying your best. Don't break the comb now.
Oh, this not a comb.
That is a comb.
This is a brush.
Be quiet.
I have to go soft. Go hard.
Oh, it hurts. Go ahead, boo. That's not the hair.
Okay, now what else? Girl?
Give me this brush. All right, so she did a pretty good job. Not even gonna lie. But I'm gonna go in
a little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
What's the next
Step 2. Apply finishing styler during styling to refine curls, help with frizz when braiding and twisting, and as moisture sealant. So
What is that?
the
Oil.
no. It said apply finishing styler. Which one is the finishing styler? Yes, ma'am. And the finishing styler, it has, I don't know what it has in it. But
It
like,
has like little beads in it.
what?
It looked like it got beads in it.
No, that's just the product, baby. It's more solid, I would say, than the butter. I'm gonna add not like less than that, less than the butter, and I'm gonna.
You're just gonna rub it in like nothing. What? I had to. Okay, now my hands are.
It's gonna be greasy, bro. Yeah, get that off your hands. See how she ran her fingers through my hair? You know, because, you know, the product's working. So, I'm going to let Zoey talk about how my hair feels, because y'all probably going to think that I'm lying just to promote this woman product. So, and you know, y'all know little children don't lie. They are very blunt. So, Zoey, how my hair feel?
Soft.
How it feels soft?
Very, very soft.
Very, very soft.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not forcing her to say that. How it smells, though?
Good.
Like, what type of good? What it remind you
Good.
of? What? Okay. We don't accept that. Step 3 says spray moisture blast oil onto the scalp and hair for shine to aid with scalp irritation. Don't do that. And dryness. Spray may also be applied onto scalp and massaged in after adding the sweet butter oil cream in step 1. This helps with blood circulation and works the product into the hair. Alright, so that's all the steps, the basic steps that you need to take
And
for a better hair.
Yeah, you want me to spray it?
Spray it in your hands. Because we don't need that much, it's just oil.
This?
Yeah. Rub your hands together. Crazy.
This gonna make your hair soft.
You don't really need, just like 2 sprays will help with like 1 section. That's it.
Okay. I got some in my hand. That's what.
Then why would you add more if you already had some in your hand?
I didn't add some more.
You was about to. If I would never stopped you, would have had too much oil in my head.
Guys, after this, I'm doing her makeup.
Don't tell them the next video.
Oh, sorry. Y'all didn't hear that. Y'all didn't hear nothing. You finna braid it?
Yeah.
And then after that, I'm gonna go do the other sections.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna do everything I did. I'll come. So very good. Let me put one. This is good. Stop it. And she gonna shake it
Like a what? I know you on.
It was on TikTok.
You need to delete that out.
I can't delete nothing on my tablet.
You can delete everything on your tablet.
Delete. Oh, TikTok is still here. Thank you, Lord.
My hair feels stupid soft.
Girl.
Stupid soft, my guy.
Girl.
Stupid soft, my guy. Stupid soft, my guy.
Okay, girl. Okay.
Stupid soft, my guy.
Girl.
What?
Be
feels stupid soft, my guy.
Oh my god. I said be quiet.
Alright, see, look.
You doing plants?
Yeah.
I'm so smart. So smart. I'm so smart.
Never been a dummy. Never that. Period. Too.
My tablet finna be full of cookies. I said cookies.
Full of stickers. Full of stickers.
Full of stickers.
Full of stickers.
Full of stickers.
Sound like you cursed. Mama Zoey in here cursing.
I'm not even cussing.
I was just playing, Mama.
I was gonna slap you to death.
You was
Girl,
You better have that same energy.
This stupid, my hair is stupid. Girl, shut up.
Stupid soft, my guy.
Girl, I can
You
kill
said it.
you.
Hold on. Wait.
Watch.
Alright, my guy.
Girl.
We ready for the second section? These little bitty, these tap brushes, you better. Come on, sis. I got nigga hair. You can go harder than that. I got strength. I ain't tender-headed like you.
I ain't tender-headed. Girl. Call me tender-headed.
You better watch out for the other parts.
I am.
No, you're not. I felt the pool.
Felt the pool, girl.
Look like, girl.
You felt the pool. Get it? Pool.
It covers up my whole hand, so don't really need that much for this section. For any section, really.
I'm not done yet.
Really got to do my ends because my ends are dyed and old. So your ends are the oldest part of your hair,
For real?
and they need the most. Yeah, the ends are the oldest part of your hair, so they need the most moisture.
Alright, come on. I'm finna do it.
Hold on, sis. Hold on.
This is enough amount for your head, my whole head, but I'm not gonna rub it.
You gotta rub it so that it can melt in your hand, and you can put it in my hand.
Oh,
Go ahead. Oh, you want me to do it?
Take
Or
some.
you want me to get some of it?
Take some. Cause I
You
had
see how it's melting in your hand? It's supposed to do that.
Cause I had way too much. That's
Yeah.
why.
This is how it looks, and then once you like rub it, the heat from your hands
We'll
melts
get-
it.
Yeah. I like how it melts.
That's what he said.
Yeah.
Don't agree with me. What? Hold on. Wait a minute. Alright.
I'm not done yet.
Okay.
Remember the anti-hair get moisturized.
Mm-hmm.
I'm still doing your ends.
Okay.
Okay, there. Then we gotta
go
pick.
in after her.
Then I'm gonna get the spray. Now I'm going to brush it after that, and then you go part it, right?
I'm gonna plait it. Yep.
Plait it and part it, whatever you go do.
Okay, see, you ain't have to say it like that, sis. Go ahead.
Girl, you better not getting my shit out of it.
Girl, I thought you cursed. I was finna say.
You see me rubbing in your hair like this?
Yep. I feel you rubbing it in my hair like that.
It's the girl. Am I in your side yet? Yeah.
You better watch yourself.
I am, girl. Got part of my side.
How I get part of your side? Don't forget my ends, sis.
I know. I'm not. one.
Zoey!
What? It was on accident. It's gonna dry. This sun is popping.
Nah, for real. These braids looking moisturized. These ends looking nice. Okay.
We doing good over here.
Period. I already know what's going on, man. My hair finna be
Healthy.
period. Jennifer.
That
you
girl is on fire.
All right, bro. All right, bro. I know you heard me singing first.
Okay, you can sing.
Nah, you got it, bro.
This song is
Say that sun beaming, sir. That sun beaming, sir. That sun beaming, sir. That sun beaming, sir. Hold on, yeah, beaming. But yeah, that's it for this video. It's Baby K, and I'm out, but only for today. Stay tuned for next week's video, which will be featuring this girl again.
Subscribe, everybody, to this video.
Me. Subscribe to me.
Oh, yeah. Subscribe.
Subscribe if you're not already. Turn on post notifications if you do subscribe, and if you're already subscribed.
Give this video a thumbs up.
A thumbs up.
I said thumbs up.
Give this video a thumbs up. Go down below in the description and follow my social medias, my Instagram, Twitter,
Whatever, all that other stuff.
all that other stuff like she said. And yeah, it's Baby K, and I'm out, but only for today.
Bye-bye. Peace.
Peace. Peace, love, positivity. Bye.
Bye.